ingredients for today. Trust me, I am super excited to try this beautiful meal, and this is my first time. Actually, it's gonna be my first attempt, but hey, I am super happy about this whole thing, you know. Minute, how on earth can I forget my main character? I'm talking about my prawns, and they're already cooked and peeled, but I am going to cook them again. I love that they're already peeled, and I got them from Morrison, I think for about £4, something like that. have turned kind of brownish, I'm going to take them out of this pot. But you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this because I don't have a lot of pots, and I'm not going to buy any pots because I don't want to leave them here in UK. And one other thing is because this pot is very small, so the game continue. Those are my 3 best friends. Like when I say 3 best friends, yeah. So I'm done with cooking the veggies, and then it's time to do the things that need to be done. Added some water. I think something like 4 drops of water, together with that cheese cheddar sauce and half of the Knorrox cube. So I'm gonna add some double cream. So all I'm just gonna do is to stir. I've just added this double cream, and I used the entire package. I thought I was not going to use it, but it looks kind of small, so I'm just going to stir up until everything is okay. So my duty is to stir, just like stir, keep stirring up until yeah, it's the way I want it to be. And yeah, then I'm going to add my grated cheese. So I've added this cheese and it's getting thicker and yummy. I love seeing what I'm seeing right here. So let's keep stirring until this thickness is super cute. It's super okay. So let's just keep stirring about something like a minute. So this is on 3 right now, and the sauce is super cute. It's super okay for me right now. And then I'm going to add all this other ingredients: pasta, the prawns, the veggies, all in here. And then just make sure that I mix the veggies with this cream. And I haven't added my main characters. I'm talking of the pasta and the prawns. Added my pasta. Mine is to keep stirring. At this point in time, my stove is on 1. After a long stirring, then the main character is here. Let me add my mini prawns and do the same thing. Mine is to stir. Keep stirring. I cannot be able to stir with one hand. Unfortunately, the other one is holding the camera, but let me just do this.